Welcome to Ed's Cookery. Today we're going to cook a classic Filipino dish, Tagalog Bistek. It's simple, easy, and delicious. A beautiful mixture of tangy and salty that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. We'll be using the reverse sear technique to cook our steak today. To get started, preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Next, salt both surfaces. This is a large steak, so it can take a lot of salt. Place the steak in the oven. Reverse searing is when you cook the steak at a low temperature in the oven. With the help of a meat thermometer, we remove the steak from the oven at your desired doneness. Next, prepare the sauce by combining lemon juice and soy sauce in a small bowl. Set aside for later. Slice one medium-sized white onion into slim rings. And peel and crush 3 large cloves of garlic. Set a bunch of bay leaves to the side as well. Pour a tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan and bloom your bay leaves for 30 seconds. Blooming your bay leaves will awaken the aromatic compounds and will smell floral. Repeat the same process for the garlic until golden brown and aromatic. Remove the bay leaves to prevent further burning while the garlic is browning. After 45 minutes of cooking, the steak has reached my desired doneness of 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium. And I know what you're thinking, it looks gray, but don't worry, we'll give it a nice sear before serving. Trust me. Increase the skillet to medium-high and sear the steak until a nice brown crust develops. This is the benefit of reverse searing. In the oven, we cook the steak to the perfect doneness, and now we only have to focus on browning and flavor. Remove the steak and set aside. Add another tablespoon of oil and start to sear the onions to develop extra flavor. Add a quarter cup of broth or water to soften the onions. When the water evaporates, add a tablespoon of butter to round out the sauce and add extra flavor. Finally, complete the sauce by adding the lemon and soy sauce mixture we set aside earlier. Add a few cracks of black pepper. Simmer until nice and glossy. And add the bay leaf and brown garlic back into the pan. Slice the steak to your desired size. As you can see, we achieved the perfect doneness through reverse searing, low in the oven, and then seared on a hot skillet to develop a beautiful brown crust. We cooked the steak perfectly without the guesswork. For myself, I enjoy medium, which is around 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 57 degrees Celsius. I'll share the Doneness chart below so you can find what temperature works best for you. Plate the steak with the onions, bay leaves, and garlic. And drizzle the tangy and salty sauce on top. Finally, indulge with a warm bowl of white rice. Let me know how you like it. Until next time, cheers.